Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and review on the RDS Razor Dirt Scooter. So I bought this scooter online for like 85 bucks. Good deal for full scooter, and then I'll put the bars on it from a different scooter I have because same compression and everything, so let's get into it. So right here we have the bars, which I'll just put bars for my other scooter on because these ones, they're not that wide and tall. Like for me, I'm about 6 foot, so they're not tall enough for me, but might sell those or something. And then here's the deck and wheels and the whole rest of the scooter. It comes with, it's pretty nice, pretty shiny and everything. The wheels probably need to be pumped up a little bit more, but yeah, 85 bucks for a complete dirt scooter. So now I'll just put on the bars. It's nice because it comes with this Allen wrench that just fits everything on it. First, I need to take them off my other scooter, so let's do that. I'm just gonna use the old clamp, I think, because it's just already on here, and it'll be easier to sell the bars with the clamp too. I always hate straightening the bars because it just takes forever and it's tedious and everything. So I'll just skip to when I'm done straightening them. So now that I have everything straight, all I need to do is tighten down the clamp. Just slowly, one at a time, even them out so it's not uneven. Now that I have it as tight as I can be, now I just need to pump up the tires a little bit, not too much, but it says to 80 psi.